So welcome to Techy Roque. You're watching this video and this is the video on the 2020 the latest APN setting for the Airtel users. So open up the setting and open up the SIM setting, and here you can see the Airtel, and just go to the APN setting section. So here we go, and just click the add button to add the new APN setting, and the name is I'm adding the 2, but name you can anything, and just keep following these steps right now. And here's the server. Enter the all values. MMC is 404 and MNC is your default. Just set the port IPv4. Now save your APN setting and just select the 2, that is our APN setting, and now you have to restart or just enable the flight mode and on off. Enable, disable, and your network will be refreshed and the APN will be activated after the network. So APN is activated and the mobile data is turned on. So now check the speed, and the speed is now improved. Maybe the speed is very improved in your location. The location depend on your area, so you can see. And now my default APN, that is the mobile office, and you can see the speed. Wow. You can see the difference between the APN setting, the latest, and the old, the default one. So thanks for watching. Hope you really like this video. Subscribe this channel for more.